Welcome to our second day camping and in Mesquite, Nevada. We are so excited. We got our razor out. We just packed some sandwiches and we are just going to explore today. So we don't know where we're headed, but I'm just going to film a little bit of it. My husband's going to be driving today and we'll just see what we see. We have a GPS system, so no worries, we won't get lost. We always know where we are so we can get back safely. I recommend that for anybody that's starting to do any kind of razor riding or any kind of fun activities, adventures outside in the wilderness. I'm sitting here in my camper. I'm excited. We've got 12 days. I don't know if I'll record or we'll ride every day, but whatever we do, the trails that we find, I'm going to take you with us, and I'm going to try to record as much as I can so you can kind of see the area. We are so excited about this area. We've been told that it is amazing to ride. So we traveled all the way from home to get here, and that's why we're taking quite a bit of time so we can really enjoy it. So come with us today. Follow the beautiful scenery. Whatever we find, we'll take video of it. I probably won't videotape the whole thing because it would make a long video, but I will do as much as I can. So come with us today and enjoy the adventure with us.
Yeah, this is interesting stuff.
Big old mountain. Yeah, that's pretty cool right there.
Can I give you a secret?
Yeah.
Tires probably like this stuff. Softer. That's a lot softer.
That's just the road that we came up. Now we're going to turn around and go back down it. Seeing some beautiful country in Arizona, right next to Mesquite, Nevada. as you can see, we had the most amazing day. Got a little bit of sun, my neck, my arms, getting a little bit on my nose. It was such a good day. We had such a good time. I hope you guys are with us. I hope you enjoyed the ride, and I believe we're going to take some of the one that we found toward the end of today. We're going to start that and ride that tomorrow. So follow us and enjoy our adventures with us. If you have any comments, leave the comments down below. If you have any questions regarding the trips that we're taking, please leave the comments down below, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Make sure and hit the bell above and never miss one of our adventure videos. Until next time, guys, I love you all. Bye-bye.